1. The grounding conductor for a residential electrical service is installed at the meter-based service equipment weatherhead on the structure-ref pole-mounted fuse serving the building 2. Exposed metal objects in the residential electrical system are prevented from becoming electrically charged by proper insulation or airspace grounding of the electrical system main shutoff in the service panel pole-mounted fuse serving the building 3. More current flowing through a conductor than the conductor is designed to carry is called a floating neutralan open neutrala power bumpovercurrent 4. An open neutral is a common cause of structure fires due to failures at the transformer. True-false 5. The typical color of the insulation of the ungrounded conductor hot in branch circuit wiring is white-black-gray-green 6. Pole-mounted fuses in the distribution system are designed to protect structures and equipment powered by a transformer. True-false 7. An electrical switch in a branch circuit will not function if put in the run of the white, grounded, conductor. True-false 8. A polarized electrical receptacle may be identified by the color of the receptacle both a wide or hot slow to wide or neutral slot provision of a grounding slot 9. What is the maximum load on a 20 amp branch circuit? 1500 watts, 1800 watts, 2400 watts, 4800 watts, 10. The magnetic element in a circuit breaker provides protection from breaker impact. Local heating short circuits moderate levels of overcurrent.
Hello, my name is I will be happy to answer your home improvement or electrical question. Also note that the website may be sending you a telephone offer. The offer is not originating from me. Therefore, disregard the phone offer as it is only an option. If you receive emails, those are originating from the website and not from me. I do not have your email address. 1. The most common method to land the grounding electrode conductor is at the service equipment.e.main service disconnect, usually the main panel at the neutral bus bar. 2. Although code allows the jack to be bonded at the neutral service neutral drop, near the weatherhead, on an overhead service, this is not that common, but is code compliant. 3. If the pole is customer premise equipment where it contains a main OCPD disconnect, the grounding electrode conductor is bonded to the neutral at this point. If a utility supplied pole, the utility is responsible for bonding the neutral to their 10-foot ground rod bonding. 4. Depends upon the meter base. Some meter enclosures will have a main disconnect. If equipped with an OCPD and the meter contains a grounding lug, then it is also code complaint to bond/ground at the meter enclosure. 5. Exposed metal objects are grounded on the electrical distribution system via a grounding electrode and/or an inner system ground. Does that help to answer your question? 3. Open neutral 4, true 5, black 6, true 7, false. A switched neutral will kill power, but this is a code violation. Only hot conductors are allowed to be switched. 8. By a wider neutral slot. 9. Neither. Max load on a 20 amp circuit is 20 amps x 120 volts equals 2400 watts. Multiplied 2400 watts x 80% equals 1920 watts. 10. Moderate levels of overload. If you have any additional questions, just let me know and I'll be glad to answer them for you. Otherwise, don't forget to rate me before you log off so I can receive credit for answering your question. Thanks. Kevin. Does that help to answer your question?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.